Let me show you how to 3D print a surgical guide once saved in our software. The reason to save it in our software is to keep all the files for that specific patient in one place. First thing to do is to import the surgical guide file. Special thanks to Xenia from CCAT for sending me this STL. I'm going to import it. I have it saved on my desktop. I'm going to register it to the current patient that is open. Here is the preview. I'm going to use our third-party application tool to click on Rayware. This is the printing software I have on my laptop. You can use any third-party printing software. It automatically opens up, as you see, and it imports the STL file. I'm going to add the supports. You have all the tools available in the printing software. If you want to make any changes, then click Print. That's it.